In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find taxes deadline in USA. Let's get started. So first, it's important to know that most people in the United States follow the same federal tax deadline every year, which is usually April 15. However, your exact deadline can sometimes change if it falls on weekend or holiday. So if you live in a specific state with different tax rules, to check your exact deadline online, the easiest way is to visit the official IRS website. Just open your browser and search for IRS Tax Deadline 2026 and click on the official IRS page. There you'll see the updated filing deadline for federal taxes, including any extensions or changes for the current year. If you want to check your state tax deadline, go to your state's Department of Revenue website. Each state may have slightly different rules, so make sure you are checking the correct one based on where you live. You can also use trusted tax tools like TurboTax, which automatically shows your filing deadlines based on your location and tax situation. When you enter your details, it will clearly display your federal and state tax deadlines so you don't miss anything important. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly find your tax deadline online in the USA. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.